How to set the connection to Salesforce CRM in the Call Tracker Multi application. To start working with Call Tracker, you need to log in to your Salesforce account. Select the system from the list. The OAuth 2.0 protocol is used to log into Salesforce. After authorization, the login status must be online. The next step, we need to activate a subscription. A free 7-day trial is available for all new users. Then, payment will be charged according to the specified tariffs. You can unsubscribe at any time. If you or someone on your team has a corporate key, you can activate and use it instead of subscription. By opening the call logs section, you can see the call history of your phone. Select the necessary call log. You will see the contact's name if the corresponding number is already stored in your Salesforce database. If not, you can search for the needed contact or create a new one. Here you can add a note or record a voice note if needed. You can also add future activities for the saved contact, deal, task or event. By clicking Create, your call log with all notes and actions will be saved into the CRM system. If you are facing some problems with the app or have any questions, please send us a support request via email where you can describe everything in detail. You can leave your feedback or rate us in the About tab. Thank you for watching. Enjoy Call Tracker Multi CRM.